how to make money on Instagram. What's up guys, my name is Belchior Pinto, and in this particular video I'm going to show you exactly how to get results just like this one and many others. It's not that difficult to make money on Instagram. You just need to invest a little bit of time and you're gonna get results. It's very easy to make money on Instagram right now, guys. Please subscribe, hit the bell notification and join this amazing family. Please, it means a lot to me especially and to the entire family. And let's dive in my computer and I'm gonna show you exactly how to make money on Instagram. That's it, guys. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your browser and then use this website, myip.ms. Actually, we're gonna find a Shopify store owners or Shopify stores better, and then we're gonna pitch them. We're gonna send them a DM and say, look, I have my page and I can promote your products, and this is my rates, right? If you want it, okay, let's do it. It's very easy. You're gonna see that if you do at least for 30 people per day or at minimum, right, or 20 people per day at minimum, you're gonna see good results. You're gonna see people coming to you and say it's more easy, because if you go to Shopify yourself, or better to Instagram yourself and trying to find yourself, it's quite be hard, right, to find Shopify stores. Sometimes you don't know, sometimes you think that you know it, sometimes it's hard. But here you're gonna see them here, all of them. Okay guys, so the first thing you need to do is look up to the IP. If you have a Shopify store, it's easy. Go to your Shopify store and find out your IP and come with your IP and use it. Or you can come here and then use this IP right here. Okay, this IP that you are seeing on my screen. Use this IP and then say whoosh lookup. What you're gonna do, you're gonna find out this IP to see where this IP is coming from, and as you can see, it's coming from Shopify, right? It's coming from Shopify, and then you're gonna say, okay, please, I need to see other sites on IP, or better, I'm gonna see other IPs on this particular host domain or service that is Shopify. Now select view or records. As you can see, Shopify view or records, right? Your records. Okay, as you can see, you have more than almost 160,000 records. That's too much. You don't have to waste a lot of time like selecting one by one, and that's you're gonna waste a lot of time. So what you have to do actually, right, and normally Shopify stores, as you can see, they normally tend to use the niche inside the name of their own website, right? If you, for instance, have a fitness page, you want to sell shout outs, or you want to do other kind of business with them, you need to write here the keywords of your Instagram store. For instance, if it's fitness, you can say fitness here, and then select, click enter or search, and you will see that you have many results, more narrowed results, so that you can pitch them, send them a DM. But first of all, we need to see all these stores. As you can see, fitness, Tiger Fitness, and many others. Let's see this one. Let's go to the website to see their stores, if they really have a beautiful store or something like that. You know, if they have an Instagram account, that we can see their Instagram account and send them a DM. Okay, as you can see, right, this is the store under Sun Fitness. All right, they have a beautiful store, as you can see. Let's go down to see if they have an Instagram account. Okay, they have an Instagram account. Let's see their Instagram account. Here we go. Let's see how many. All right, as you can see, they have 8,000. You can sell shout outs to them. If you have a big page in this niche, you can send that in a DM and say, look, I saw your page, I saw your account, but I saw your website and it looks great, and I want to do business with you, or if you don't want to shout out, if you don't have enough followers, you can say, look, I can increase your page, I can, do something for them. In exchange, they're gonna pay you something, right? You can sell shout outs. You can for instance say that I can promote your page, in other ways, like promote your page to increase your page, or I can manage your page, like, because there are many people that they want to use somebody to manage their page. Okay, you can manage their page. There are many things that you basically can do for them, guys. This is the first one. As you can see, you can go to another page, like go to the website. And by the way, don't just send them a message on the Instagram. If you send them a message on the Instagram and then on emails, on Facebook, trying to be multi-presence, like almost everywhere, it's way easier to make money like that. They're gonna say, wow, this guy is really, really interested and is willing to help me, actually, because it's pitching me with email, on Instagram and on Facebook. It's like you are everywhere, and they will more likely to make business with you like that. Go down, as you can see. Let's see if they have okay, they have Facebook, and then they have Instagram account. Let's see their Instagram account. It's loading. Okay, there is Instagram account. They have 76 followers. Not bad, right? That's freaking good, actually, by the way. So at the same time, you can send a message, right? You can send a message and say, look, I want to do business with you. I want to manage your page. I want to sell you shout outs. For instance, if you have an account with more than 100k followers or 300k followers, you can send them a DM and say, look, I want to make business with you, right? And it's very easy. Just go to your Instagram account, go to your Instagram account and then send them a DM, and that's it. You make money like that, like just like that, and it's very easy. And by the way, let me just show you, right? Let's say we're gonna select this guy, right? We Fitness, and we're gonna send in an email, and we're gonna send in a message on Instagram. Let me just show you on Instagram first of all. And please don't overcomplicate stuff. Like many people trying to say, oh no, I need the script to send a message, what I'm gonna say, what I'm trying to send a big message. Please don't do that. People don't read that. I'm an influencer as well on Instagram, but when people send me this crazy message, like, I don't know, like a blog, dude, I don't read that stuff. I reply to the guy, hey, look, please try to simplify it. I don't want to read this. That's too much. I don't have time to read all this kind of crazy stuff. Like, simplify and we're gonna do business. Okay, just say, look, I saw oh my god, my page. I saw your website and it looks great. Oh my god, it looks great. I want to do business with you by selling you shout out, right? By selling you a shout out. This is my page, and put here your page, for instance. Oh, where is my, all right, for instance, you have this page, you read cinema. For instance, this is your page, right? This is my page. Let me know, right? If you are selling a shout outs, or if you are giving or providing another type of service, you can as well do the same. You don't have, it's not just for shout outs, because there are many ways to do that. Okay guys, so and do that and send them a DM. It's very easy, straightforward, and you did that, right? And just send it. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching these videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification, guys, and please, that means a lot to me. I see you on the next video. Amazing, beautiful people, and peace, guys. Hola, guys. Hello. Okay. Hola. ¿Cómo ustedes? No, I'm speaking English. Oh. Hello, everybody. Hi. Hi, everybody. I love you guys, and see you. See you? Yeah. Alright. And see you. Bye, guys.